All right, I'm still setting up, but I'm enjoying watching the chat because this is hilarious. And I had to start the stream. Man, people are like going crazy. Yes, yes, gold is down big time, folks. And if you bought a little gold a little while ago and it went down, don't panic. Relax. Oh my goodness. Yes, there's a lot of news around, Jerry. Yep, I hear you. And silver and gold, I know. Rhodium, amazing, right? What a rise. Look at a long-term chart on that. That's impressive. But silver and gold, I also, oh, and actually, who's the one who said, yeah, Savoy, truffle. Totally agree with you, man. We got to be thinking about this from a buying opportunity. A lot of people have been like, oh, I can't get into gold. I can't get into gold. You can get into gold now. Okay, I bought some. I'm going to keep buying. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's funny because I think, we're going to talk about this some more, but I think we get into this short-term mindset that turns into literally, unless you're shorting a stock or something, this is bad, a buy high, sell low mentality. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, the price of something's going up, everybody piles in and gets hammered. Or something's falling and it's like, oh my word, I gotta get out. You need to flip this mentality around, okay? When things go down, that's when you buy. When things are up, that's when you sell. Again, one other thing, you watch out for the investment mentality with physical gold and silver. If you're looking for gold and silver to make you rich quick, you're going to get disappointed. I've said that so many times. So yeah, gold is dropping. Don't be a short timer, okay? Look at it as insurance. There's a lot of other places to invest in, and I highly recommend it. But just breathe. Deep cleansing breaths. Oh man, good to see you, Jonathan Reese. It's nice to have a mod in here. What's going on in your kitchen? I don't know, Ryan. I already had dinner tonight. So I'm just setting up, getting ready here. Ooh, and we're going to have a pile of giveaways tonight. I am so jacked. Plus, if you're interested in trading, if you really want to know how to trade like a boss, you're going to want to listen to Mukarram tonight. He and I chatted last night about what we wanted to cover tonight on Ask Yankee, and I am super excited. We got some really cool things that we're going to do. Q&A session coming up at the end. We're going to have an opportunity to have Mukarram take your stock tickers and give a quick analysis on them. So get your stock tickers ready. All right, your ticker symbols. Have them, write them down, or if you know them in your head, just be ready. Don't throw them in the chat right now. Doesn't matter. I don't want to hear them. Yes, Tesla. He's going to talk about all kinds of stuff, right? He's going to talk about whether what he's doing with when he got in and when potentially got out of his short position on the market. Fascinating. So yeah, we're going to have fun with Mukarram tonight. We got a bunch of giveaways. I don't have a lot of unboxings tonight. Not a big deal. I have two. One of them's going to be, one of them's gold, baby. I cannot wait for this unboxing. This is probably one of the hardest boxes for me not to have opened up till now. Seriously. I most of the time it's like, yeah, I got a box, got an envelope. I'll wait for Ask Yankee. This one, I had to do everything I could to keep from ripping it open. Let's see. And hey, thanks, Steve Tuck, for saying smash that like if you don't want to forget. That really does help. Get my gold soon for my 10-ounce round trade. Very good, Jonathan Reese. AG Mag Sil. I knew you couldn't help it. Could you, James? I'm in AG. I'm not in SILV or SLV. I am in PSLV. So again, good time to be buying this stuff. Silver, yeah, the silver's been pulling back a little bit. Gold. Oh, man. In fact, that is the topic for tonight. We are going to talk about the gold pullback with Mukarram. We are. I'm going to put him on the spot. I'm going to say, dude, right now, I want to know, what's happening to gold now? And is silver about to crush it? Because I'll tell you, the GSR, gold to silver ratio, it was in the 60s. It rose up a little bit today above 70, but man, I'm going to be peppering him with questions. It's going to be fun. Just, having him on here. We're going to do, we're obviously going to talk about gold and silver. We're going to spend most of our time there. He's got some charts for us. We're going to do stock talk with him. All right, so he's a stock trader, right? So he's got some really good insights for your 401ks, your IRAs, stuff like that. And we're also going to wrap it up with, like I said, ticker talk. Okay? Have your ticker symbols ready, guys. Seriously. All right. Get my goal. Let's see. Hi there. Hey, doing, Lloyd? Good to see you. I visited Tim. Awesome. Very good. Yeah, he had a Serenity now. You're funny. Yeah, he had that entire monster box of silver maple leaves. That's good. All right. Yeah, so you've picked up some. I wonder if he's out by now. Coin Crew, good to see you. It's good to see all my members. Thank you so much. My 2-star, my 3-star members out there. Very nice. I might do a special giveaway for my members tonight. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll do it, not everyone, right, obviously, but I want to do a quick little thing for my members. Patriot Pistol members, or as my premium members. I got a new premium member the other night, 2 nights ago. I got a new Yankee Cannon member, and I am set up to talk with him next week. Got the meeting scheduled with him. I am so excited. I love it when new members come along and I get to meet new people and help them out. So I'm really looking forward to that. Limited JRW, 3-star member. I hope your day was a-okay. Limited JRW. Let's see. It's Yankee Stack Gold Maple. Yes, I'm happy you're here too. I'm excited about tonight. I really am. Oh, man. Actually, I think, who's up? There's somebody else up. Who is it that's going live to tonight? Let me check. Oh, is it Mike Maloney doing a preview or premiere at 7? That means maybe you guys will have a better chance in the early giveaways because everybody's going to be watching Mike Maloney, not me. That's all right. Let's see. Yeah, I think he does a premiere. Oh, and it looks like Hoosier Stacker's live. Look at that. Hoosier Stacker. That's good to see him live. Looks like he's got Plumber with him. Nice. And then there's me. Little old me. Paul Bernard, good to see you. And my day's been a-okay. I am 100% over COVID. So is my wife. And everything's back to normal. Oh, come on, Gold Maple. Mike has it in spades. Okay? But I appreciate that. I'm doing great, Coin Crew. Doing wonderful. All right, let's see here. Do I have gold backs all set for the giveaway? I've got my jcsgold.com grab bag. Looking forward to that. Yeah, is Maloney live? Oh, I thought it was a premiere. Whatever. Yeah, that's cool. We'll outlast him. I'm only 14 and I got into stacking. I am cutting grass and doing yard work for people to save up for silver. I am planning on saving up to buy a gram or a 1/10 ounce of gold. That's great, Reed Lead. Good job. Proud of you. 14. Wow. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. Good for you. All right, so let's see here. I got that. Welcome, Silver and Gold. Thank you so much for joining Yankees Militia. Great to have you aboard. Yeah, let's see. Giveaways. You guys want giveaways tonight, or you just want to hear Mukarram talk? Because I know you don't want to hear me talk. Oh, man. Giveaways? Put a 1 in the chat if you want giveaways tonight. A whole lot of giveaways. I might actually do the Wheel of Names, too. Yeah, I know. On Silver Pros, that went ugly for Silver Dragons. So I better give Wheel of Names one more shot tonight. We'll do a bunch of gold back giveaways with the Wheel of Names. We'll do a silver giveaway from the grab bag. Maybe if I can get as high as $100 in Super Chats, we'll do a bonus silver giveaway. But regardless, I think we're going to see everybody on the other side. So get ready for the goosebumps. Here they come! Are you guys sufficiently pumped? Yeah, man, I literally get goosebumps when I hit that bumper music, guys. Oh, man, it is so awesome to have you aboard tonight. Thank you for joining me, because I didn't want to be alone. No, seriously, thank you. And thank you especially to the first-timers that might be here tonight. If this is your first time on Ask Yankee, please put in a 1. Behave, you regulars, okay? I really want to say hi to the first-timers. I know I'm going to get some. They're like, yeah, I'm the first time here. Oh, Mateo Sternato, thank you. Philip Creek, Lloyd Braun, sorry. Jay Bell, Old Dude, Rack Gonzo 1991, Dennis Collins, Greg Lee. I see a lot of ones. And you like these? You like these gold backs? Gold maple? I'm going to be giving these away. I can't keep them. I got to give these out. All right. So we've got a lot of first-timers here. At no New World Stacker. You're such a first time. Can't be. Come on. But anyways, thank you, first-timers. What Ask Yankee is all about is having fun, giving away some stuff, and answering your questions. And let me tell you, I jumped on in the pre-show earlier than I thought because the questions, oh my goodness, people seem to be in turmoil over what's going on in the markets, what's happening with gold especially, and silver to a lesser degree. But whoa, we are going to have Mukarram Mawjood on in about a half hour. He's an amazing trader. You're not going to want to miss him. He knows his precious metals, all right? And I've had him on many times. A lot of you know that, and you've enjoyed listening to him. I'm going to pose some pretty intense questions to him around gold and silver, see what's going on. He's also going to talk about some trading opportunities in the markets. So he knows his stuff, and it's going to be fun to be with him. You know what? How many do we have in here right now? 110? Not bad, not bad. Let's give away something. How about a gold back? Isn't this beautiful? This is a 1 New Hampshire gold back. Huh? Look at that. It's hard because they like to pop. Let's give this away. And you know what? The winner's going to have a chance to see just how cool this is. 1/1000th of a troy ounce of 24K gold. So we're talking gold tonight. So we're going to give these away. And I'm going to try to give them away with the wheel of names. I don't know if you've been with me and Silver Dragons on Silver Pros, but yeah, that didn't go so hot. Okay, so we're gonna give this a shot right now, and the best way to do it is to put a comment in the chat right now, just to make sure you are participating, and I pick you up on participants. So just everybody, you got 15 seconds to put in anything you want in the chat if you're interested in being a part of this giveaway. I'm gonna give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start out right out with a giveaway. So pump it in there, just anything you want. Whatever. Yankee's awesome. I hate silver. Whatever you want. All right, there we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and boom! Coin Crew drops a 20 spot. Got to get you to 100 in Super Chats. Here's the start. Thank you, Coin Crew. Yeah, I didn't mention that, but we're going to be doing an extra bonus giveaway at the end if we can pass 100 in Super Chat. So thank you for getting that ball rolling. But now that everybody put something in there, let's do participants. All right, so this is where everything went starting to go sideways here. I'm going to do copy. All right. Yeah, and then I'm going to stick it in here. All right, and then I'm going to get everything here and copy it, and I'm going to put it in here and paste it, and yeah, that might work. All right, let's shuffle this. Oh, I see some weird stuff in here. All right, whatever. All right, I'm going to switch to the browser. Here is the Wheel of Names. The Wheel of Names. Unfortunately, there are things in here like member 2 months. I don't know why it picks up the memberships for some people, Probably James and Delilah, Pinkney, I'm not sure, but shoves it in there. Of course, Yankee Stacking has a shot at this. New member. Somebody just joined, sharing the journey maybe? I don't know. I hit shuffle. I'm not sure. I'm just going to pound on this shuffle. And we're going to spin this puppy. And whoever gets it wins a 1 gold back right now. Hey, Freedom Stacker, thank you for the buck. Appreciate it. Every little bit helps. Let's spin this right now. See what happens. See, this is working. Come on, SD. I don't know what he was doing. Whatever. Of course, if we hit member 6 months, I'll spin it again. All right, here we go, guys. Here it goes. Here we go, and it is. Oh, keep going. No, slow down. Oh, there it. Oh, it jumped over. Isn't that horrible? If you're like Tony. Sorry, Tony. He's like, no, slow down. Lloyd Braun, welcome and congratulations. Good job. Yes, I'm giving away the gold backs. Who's your stacker? Hey, did you wrap up your live stream, dude? Yeah. Well, we got a premiere going on right now with goldsilver.com. Mike Maloney's going nuts, so that's probably going to keep the numbers down on this live stream, no doubt. And it's going to give you a better chance at winning. So congratulations, Lloyd Braun. You won one of these. You want to do another one real quick? Real quick? Put a put a 1 in the chat real quick. Put a 1 in the chat if you want to do another one. And Lloyd, email me at yankeestacking@gmail.com with your mailing address so I can punch this out for you. All right, I'll write you down, Lloyd and Braun. All right, that's 1 gold back. Congratulations. Yeah, I see another. I'm just going to punch these out. I got 10 of them, guys. We're going to get rid of these things tonight. We're going to have fun. Plumber Stacker throws a 5 spot. Free the gold backs. Yes. Amen, brother. All right, let's do this again. Shuffle, and spin. This one's for a 1 gold back. 1 gold back. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, Yankee will soon know. Lloyd Braun is still in there. Wow, he could have gotten a second one, but no. This one's going to, get off, participants. All right. It looks like, oh, Tex Coin. Tex. Dude, how do you keep winning? I just sent something out to you. This is completely random, and you still pulled it off. Well done, Tex Coin. Oh, my goodness. All right, that's gold backs for 1 gold back for Tex Coin. By the way, put a Y for Yankee in the chat if you watch my gold back video. My gold back video. And don't lie. I know who you are. Tex Coin, 1 gold back. Seriously, if you watched my gold back, put in a Y. Oh, good. Good. Awesome. Not a lot. It didn't get as many views as most of my videos do. I don't know, man. I guess people are all salty over gold right now. And for those of you just joining, we are going to talk to Mukarram Mawjood about gold. I'm going to pepper him with questions. He's going to help us answer the question, what the heck is going on with gold? So you don't want to miss that. That's going to come up in another, 20 minutes or so. I watch every video. Thank you, Salt Life 1717. I appreciate that. I need to, I guess, says Timothy Zub. Yeah, feel free. YouTube didn't tickle the YouTube algorithm, and usually I know how to do it. For some reason, it just didn't do it this time. All right. You want to do another one? I'll do, let's do 2 more real quick. Bang, bang. All right. And I should probably grab the participants again. Because, shoot, man, that works so well, right? Again, I don't know what is wrong with Silver Dragons. This thing is no problemo. So I will throw it in here. Paste that. All and copy. Then I'll go back in here. And I will all and delete. And I'll paste them all in. So you can see right here. I'm going to paste them in. Boop. Bang. and then shuffle, 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 shuffle. This works fine. We're gonna do the wheel of names more often. All right, let's do this again here. This is for the gold back. Get ready, guys. Love doing the giveaways. Round and round and round. Here we go. Hopefully it's not a new member or participant. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you think J Bell's gonna hold it? Will J Bell hold it? No! Pass J Bell. How about Corey? Come on, can you hold it? Yes. Yes. Corey Coolball. Congratulations. You won a 1 gold back. Corey, please email me at yankee.stacking@gmail.com and you can get one of these beauties. I'll tell you. And by the way, these are meant to be not stacked. They're meant to be used. Little Stacks and I are going to be trying to use these at some stores. I don't know if I can. Probably in March, if not April. I'm gonna get out there and see what we can do. He'll video the whole thing. See how bad it goes. It may go great. I think it might in some stores, but it'll be fun regardless. All right, Corey, congrats. Cool ball. And we'll be giving away silver tonight too. Don't you worry. Silver's gonna go away too, but how about this? Another one. Yeah, let's do it, guys. Real quick spin-a-roofski. Let's spin away. I didn't shuffle it, but that's okay. This will be random enough, I'm sure. You're welcome, Corey. I'm glad you won. Amir. Yeah, let's go. Here it says Amir Nadi, who likes to win a lot. Let's see if he can do it tonight. A lot. Boy, that sounded like... Oh, it sounded like Trump, didn't it? A lot. Oh, my goodness. Limited JRW, can you hold on? Yes! LD, or I think it's, maybe it's not limited. I don't know. LD. LDJRW, whatever it is. You won a gold back. Congratulations, LD. Write you down. 1 gold back. So we're piling through the 1 gold backs. We are going to be doing the 5 gold back. Check the 5s out. The 5's gonna go. Oh, that's a nice one. That one is 1/200th of a troy ounce of pure gold. And then we are giving away a 10 gold back. That is 1/100th of a troy ounce of gold. So that's what's coming. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6. Let's get rid of 1 more so we can do 5 later. 1 more. Ooh, shiny, says Hoosier Stacker. Yes. Yes. And we're gonna do a special giveaway a little bit later for my members. All right. This is open to everybody, but I definitely want to just have a members only giveaway coming up. So that is my prerogative. I just love doing that, right? If you're interested in becoming a member, it's pretty easy to do. You can just click the link that shows up in the chat. I appreciate it. You could be the Patriot Pistol member. Yeah. Love the Patriot Pistol. Ooh, talk about shiny, Hoosier. Ooh, yeah. So Patriot Pistol member, definitely. If you want to be a Maple Musket member, I might spill some gold tonight. That'll help you if you're building your channel. I got a few Maple Muskets members in the house tonight. So, if you want to talk to them, feel free. Let them know. You're interested in finding out what it's like to be a Maple Musket member with Yankee. We get one-on-one time, and I try to help out as many people as I can. And, of course, Yankee Cannon member. Oh, yeah, baby. I just got a Yankee Cannon member this, actually, it was Thursday of last week. Now, the Yankee Cannon member, that will get you one-on-one time with me to talk about all things stacking and prepping and your financial situation. I love being a financial coach, so that's what that's there for. So anyways, thank you to all my members. Welcome, James and Delilah Pinkney. I love it. Welcome. Robert Pruis, thank you so much for joining Yankees Militia. So let's say 1 more giveaway, right, guys? 1 more. Okay, should I just take what I got in the wheel, or there's maybe some more new people that came in here. What do you think? Should I grab it? No, I'm just going to take the wheel. The second 5, I'll re-grab a whole bunch of people. That sounded weird. I'll get a whole bunch of participants. We're just going to stick with what we have in here right now. All right, let's switch back. This is for a 1 gold back. Oh, golden spike stackers. Thank you for that $1 super chat. Man, we are more than a quarter of the way there for a bonus god at the end of this live stream. That's fantastic. Thank you. Have a good one, fellow stackers. Yankee, you're awesome. Oh, man. Appreciate that. I really do. All right. Time to spinny winnie this thing. Shuffle it this time. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. And let's go. Throw a 1 gold back. 1, 2. That will be just 2 1 gold backs left after this. Yeah, participating members. All right, here we go. Here we go. Everyone, Plumber. Reedley. Nope. Dennis Collins. Get off, new member. Oh, come on. Move along. Move along. And boom. Greg Lee. It looks like you're going to hold on to the win. There it is. Greg Lee, congratulations. Email me at yankeestacking@gmail.com. All the winners, let me know your mailing address. I'll fire these off to you as soon as I can. Congratulations. Let me write down Greg Lee. Greg Lee. 1G. 1 gold back. All right. Switch back to regular screen. All right, guys. So, Marla, thank you for that 2 spot. You're the best. Marla Gold's great, guys. I mean it. She is wonderful. And I appreciate you guys spending time with me, all 148 of you. Don't forget to smash the like. We are going to spend some really good quality time with Mukarram coming up soon, okay? But before we do that, I got to dive into this. This is from Frank, okay? And I'm really excited to open this. I don't know what it is, and we will see. Sometimes when I open something live, I don't keep it. I give it away because, you guys are spending time here on my channel, in my live stream, watching, and I've got some paper here. And I just want to be able to share my, good fortune. When people show love and appreciation to me, it's sometimes you just got to pass it on sometimes, right? Oh, Jeffrey Jackson. Whoa. I would ask why, but you answered it. Thank you for the $25, Jeffrey. Wow, man, we are past halfway. We're getting there, guys. Again, I don't know what this is. What is that? Oh man, I really should read this, right? Yankee. My prayers go out to you and your family and you. I sincerely hope all is well. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate the prayers for everyone that everyone gave me. Scott Rose, welcome to my militia. I appreciate you joining. And this was maybe a little dated. Frank. Yes, Frank. He sent me a cross. This is really nice. My prayers go out to you. In the meantime, please enjoy some Native American silver from New Mexico. Although the buckle is not hallmarked by the artist, it's a good example of silver that you can wear. Sweet. This is from a famous Navajo artist, Herman Smith, I think it says. I figured that that should be worthy enough to be added to your ice cream collection. Aw. Thank you for all that you do for the stacking community. Take care and God bless. Wow, Frank. Oh, this is really, really cool. Oh, man, I'm sorry. I'm keeping this. I'm sorry. Oh, my goodness. I do love crosses, I have to admit. They mean a lot to me. So, man, that is super sweet. I wonder if Little Stacks would like this. Oh, he likes sometimes wearing stuff, around his neck. Yeah. I'm going to see if Nah, he's not around. All right, if he comes by, I'll stop him. But no, let's take a look at this real quick. Oh, that is so nice. a buckle. Well, I obviously know what it is, but oh man. Okay. Wow. Whoops. I bumped the camera. Look at that, folks. What do you think of this, huh? That is really cool. Oh man, it is silver. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry guys, I'm taking a really close look at this right now. Yeah, it's not hallmarked, that's fine, but it's antiqued, beautifully designed. That is just, that is beautiful. Shark Tooth Stacker, $10 super chat? Yes, thank you. Do you think it is worth to buy a gold 100 gram combi bar at 6% above spot? All right, a bar at 6%. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Shark Tooth Stacker. I'm not a big bar guy, but right now, gold definitely has a better percentage premium. You definitely, if you can get it under 10, I think that's great. 100 gram, yes. So the answer is yes, and thank you again for that 10 spot. What do you guys think of this? Do you put the buckle on the wheel, baby? Put the buckle on the wheel. Do you think Frank would mind? I mean, I don't want, believe me, I think this is gorgeous. It could go into he wanted it to go into my silver ice cream cone collection. And I wanted to go in there. It's really neat. Put it on. Frank says there's more. Okay, Frank, before I move on, I want to know, Frank, thank you so much. Tell me if you would be at all insulted if I, it gave away something from your incredible generosity. And I don't want you to think I don't love this stuff. Oh, dude. Okay. All right. This is too much, Frank. Oh man. No, the ring. Oh, okay. So all right, I gotta, Frank is in the house, so give that. Okay, so this I'm gonna give away. Because frankly, Frank, yeah, I don't think I mean, shoot, that's not bad. Don't get me wrong. Index finger, but I got small fingers, narrow fingers. So I think this is the thing we're gonna put on the wheel. One ring to rule them all, says Sean. Yes. Yankee is fancy. Okay, so let's get rid of the ring. Let's put the ring on the wheel. What do you think? I better grab some more people off this thing. So anybody, if you have not put a comment in the chat, now's your chance. Put a comment if you're interested. Switch it out for equal value. I mean, listen, if you're interested in a ring, it's yours. Again, it's hit or miss, right? It may or may not, it may or may not fit you. So let's see here. But it's really sweet. And Frank, this was so kind of you to do that. Thank you. The belt buckle is gorgeous. I'm so glad you said I didn't have to give this away, because I don't want to give this away. I really, really didn't. Man, tell you what, this ring will also go out with a Silver Pros sticker. Yes, that's right. We're gonna pump up the Silver Pros. Next Thursday on my channel, we go live, Silver Dragons and I, with Silver Pros. Don't miss it. So I'll throw in a Silver Pros sticker with this ring to the winner. All right, you had your chance. Let me switch to participants. Let me hit the magic Control A and the Control C. Then I'm gonna paste it. Da boom. All copy. We'll switch over to the browser. We're gonna pop those in. Boom! Works perfect. Shuffle a few times. You guys ready? Are you ready for this? All right, here it comes. Oh, Frank, I don't want to give the buckle away. That was very generous. Christina's right. Thank you. All right, so who's going to win the ring and sticker? Don't get too excited when your name is there because it tends to slide by you. Oh, get past Streamlabs. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, there it is. Joe VV Joe Custom Display Dioramas. That is one long channel name, but I am so glad you won, man. Or lady, I'm assuming it's Joe. It's got to be, right? So congratulations, Joe. Definitely email me, yankeestacking@gmail.com to claim your ring and sticker. Please include your mailing address. Sometimes people get so excited. They go, I won. Thank you so much. And that's it. And I'm like, I need your mailing address. All right. Congratulations. That's awesome. I better write that down too. Joe VV Joe. And Persian Stacker with the $10 super chat. There are no dips. Have a plan and always stack. Said with such authority. Well done there. Thanks for that super chat. This is great. We're gonna get to 100. I think we're almost there. Almost there. Let's see. Ring and sticker. Thanks again, Frank. Wow. That was just, look at this buckle and the cross. I'm keeping the buckle. Little Stacks is going to love this cross. I'm telling you. It's going to be right around his neck. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. That is just so cool. Great time for Stackers to load up right now. Yes, Wolf Flow. Again, if you're just popping in on the live stream, we got 150-ish some people. I know I've got some competition going up with some big people online. But hey, you know what? I appreciate every one of you joining me on my live stream. You're all awesome. And we're going to talk to Mukarram Mawjood. Mukarram knows his stuff when it comes to stacking, when it comes to trading and investing. He's going to really enlighten us. I'm looking forward to it. Draco's Dragon, good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Good to see you. Freedom Stacker, yes. Infamous Ghost 24. We got Running Eagle in the house. Copenhagen isn't a dip. French chip dip. Guys, do not stress out about gold, please. Or silver, all right? I have my strongly held opinions on what is going on. And this is short term in my book. Absolutely. I am buying gold. In fact, guess what? Let me open this up and show you what I just got. This is from our sponsor tonight, JCS Gold. Okay, JCS Gold is phenomenal. If you're interested in getting a hold of silver or gold, check out jcsgold.com. All right, jcsgold.com. In fact, you know what? I should shout him out more than just saying it. I should show you guys JCS Gold's site. So here's JCS Gold. Chris Luck is a dude that I talk with on a regular basis. He's out of Virginia, has an amazing story to tell. His whole family, it's a family-owned and operated LCS. If you don't have an LCS in your area, these guys want to become America's local coin shop, all right? And they will do you right. They will get you the silver and gold you're after. So check them out, jcsgold.com. Use my promo code Yankee to get free shipping when you order anything over $50. And let me tell you right now, I am looking at, actually, I'm going to go to gold because I think gold's the better buy right now. And I told Chris, I'm interested in getting a piece of gold from every country that puts it out from the mint. So like this Australian kangaroo is calling to me. Not a bad price, all right? Especially as the price now has dropped. Oh my goodness. Right? Check out the ratio. Hello? 1 to 67? Yikes. That's gold buying time, folks. Gold buying time. So I think that Australian kangaroo has my name written on it. But, you know, this Krugerrand might come into play. I don't know. I need more gold. All right? And Kevin, thank you so much for the... I am not going to ignore you guys. Don't worry. $10? Really? That is amazingly generous. Thank you, Kevin. I just got here. Is silver going up and when? Well, first of all, Kevin, I don't have a crystal ball. If I did, I wouldn't tell you. No, of course I would. I would share it with the entire community. I don't know when, but it is coming. And you know what? Right now we should not be short-term minded and impatient. Okay? We shouldn't be impatient. Let it stay down. Buy up as much as you can, because once it blows its top, it's not coming back. So we definitely want to be patient. And Coin Crew, did you drop another super chat? That's phenomenal. Dare to differ your stack. Keep on stacking. Yes, Coin Crew. That is awesome. Thank you. Well, JCS Gold, Chris said, Yankee, I am so glad to be able to help you purchase, especially with the current dip, your dream coin. Yes, that's right. My dream coin. At least my dream gold coin. All right, so there's the paper stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness, he gave another bag. Very nice. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. Well, I might give away a bag too with something here. Put that JCS Gold there. And this seems heavier. What the heck? There's more than just gold in here. A Morgan. Oh. Maybe this one. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself, but something in here is going to be a member giveaway. Oh my goodness, he put more than what I bought. Oh, he threw a... There's the gold. There's the gold. I think I peed a little. Sorry. Oh my word. Do you know how long I've wanted this piece of gold? Oh my word. Oh. I finally got a gold buffalo. Oh, baby. Yeah, it's a 2021 gold buffalo. Thank you, TextCoin. Thank you, Steel Ringer. Oh, welcome, Corey. Appreciate you joining, man. Yeah, I know. If you've already... All right, fine. If you already have a gold buffalo, a 1 ounce gold buffalo, put gold in the chat. Put gold in the chat if you've got one of these. Oh, Corey's blocking me. That's okay, Corey. I don't mind that at all. If you've got a gold buffalo, put gold. Just that. Just put gold if you've got one of these. I don't care what the date is. All right, this helps me. I know, right, Freedom Stacker? Oh, wow. All right, U-Haul does. Philip Creek, Sharper 4221. Gary Kinnett. I'm not surprised, Gary. I know you do. Silver Craze Mama. I wish, Joseph. Yeah, you can't touch it. Yeah, Gold, Jeffrey Jackson, a newest member. Yep, Audrey Matney has one. TB, good to see you talking bullion. Yes, I know you do. You've got quite the collection, man. You're doing phenomenal. Check out Talking Bullion's channel if you want to really see how well he's stacking it. Robert Pruis. Yep. Ryder Reddick. Coin Crew. Nope, but I want one. James, yes, I hear you. Casey does. All right. Greg Lee, yes. Take it out and hold it. You dare me to? It's not a proof. It's bullion. I'm going to take it out with my bare hands. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get so sidetracked by doing this. And Mukarram has just joined. So I know he's like, how long is this going to go for? Hold on, Mukarram. Okay, just wait. I'm going to be coming to you in a minute. But I just got my first buffalo, so I'm pretty jacked. I sold my silver ice cream cones for a lot at its peak of this and bought gold with the money. So you played the GSR, the gold to silver ratio. Want to increase my silver stack, but premiums are crazy. Yeah, that's the challenge, Justin. By the way, thanks for that 5 spot. The challenge is when you do that GSR ratio, you might not do it as well as, say, Talking Bullion. He did a phenomenal job. But, some people blow it when they do it. So you got to be very careful. Congratulations on that, though. I'm so stinking happy. But wait a minute. Again, Mukarram, hold on 1 minute. It's just JCS Gold's popping up everywhere, man. He is an amazing guy. I cannot say nice enough things about him. He threw a nut. He threw an eagle. He threw in an eagle? Oh my goodness. Chris, you rock, dude. Oh man. All right. This isn't even the giveaway, the JCS Gold giveaway, which I'm going to do after we talk with Mukarram. All right. So if we get, all right, this is what we're going to do. Oh man, this is unbelievable. If we get, what are we at? 118. Duh. Yankee. We're already past 100. So we're going to do a bonus giveaway. We're going to do we're going to do we're going to do a crap load of giveaways after Mukarram. So you don't want to leave this live stream. All right. So we're going to be giving away, maybe I might do the Eagle for everyone and just this Morgan for my members. You want to get in on the Morgan giveaway, check out my memberships. All right. Whew, man. In the bags, I'll have to throw in some, look at this, JCS Gold, spray it. All right. Let's get ready for Mukarram. Yeah, oh man, just look at this thing. It's so gorgeous. It's not my, it's my first. It may be my last for a while because I need to pick up some gold from around the world. Oh man. I'm just having a blast tonight. All right, you know what I'm going to do, though? Before I bring Mukarram on, I am going to do a little clearing here. All right? And I'm going to do a little sprinkling of some silver. This is some premium stuff. This is some fun stuff. Look at this. Oh, my word. Jazz made that for me all the time. All right. We'll put some silver there, and let's sprinkle some gold. All right, so we put some gold over here. I don't think I'll pop the cannon. We'll keep the cannon safe and sound. I don't want to spread too much gold out. All right, so anyways, do I have any pre-33 gold? I don't yet. I've been thinking about that too. Running Eagle. I think I might go down that route too. This is the gold time. All right, so I think I'm all set here. I got everything. Oh, look at this. This is my baggins bar. Yeah. All right, so I got this set. Let me get Mukarram, who's been so patient with me. And let's see, is he lined up? I think. Okay, Mukarram, you can put your, okay, cool. Let me switch over to that. Hopefully this is all lined up. I might have to do a quick lineup, Mukarram, just to double check. And so anyways, I am still looking here. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do with Mukarram is we're going to chat about gold. All right, what's happening to gold right now? Is silver gonna crush it? Okay, that's what's coming up. We'll take some questions, but later on afterwards. Okay, so he and I are gonna talk. I have some questions for him. In fact, he has something really, really cool at the end. I already told some people, if you're new in the chat, you might not know. We're going to take your ticker symbols, and he's going to run some quick analysis on them. So really fun stuff coming up. But let's switch over right now. Okay, there's Mukarram. How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Yankee.
How you doing, man? Okay, so give me 1 second. Good to see you here. Today, we're going to talk about what is happening to gold now. Is silver about to crush it?
What about your treasure box that you were just showing all this time?
Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching Yankee Stacking. It is my pleasure to have with me Mukarram Mawjood. Many of you already knew Mukarram. If you watch my live stream, you know him. But for those who are new to him, he is the head of trading at Bullionite.com. and the chief investment officer at Blackstone Commodity Group. I've said this many times. He knows his physical precious metals. He knows his stocks. He knows other commodities. What's more, he has actually helped several of my subscribers to diversify their investments into physical gold and silver. I get emails from them saying, thank you so much for hooking me up with Mukarram. He has been a godsend. And he actually helps people trade. like a boss, okay? Even in crypto, which if you follow my channel, that ain't Yankee, okay? But he's done it, and he's done it for like 15 years. So he knows his stuff, and we're going to talk to him about, a little bit of that trading expertise he has later. But first, Mukarram, I got to ask you, what is happening to gold now? And is silver gonna crush it?
Well, it's interesting, thank you again for having me. It's always great to
My
come on your
pleasure.
show. And I love seeing all the goodies, just before the
man.
show. The buffalo, amazing. Love it.
I have to admit.
Yeah, but I wanted to, there's a couple of things we need to look at. When you look at the physical gold market and silver,
Yep.
I think the important thing is to understand that gold is in a short-term downtrend. It's okay to say that. If you're a physical metals holder, or if you're buying gold, or if you're in gold in your IRA, it's okay to lean into that.
Should
okay?
we all just say that? Is that like a mantra? Should we just like gold is
take
going
a deep
down,
breath and say
that's
it's
okay.
a short-term downtrend.
Deep
okay?
breath, right?
Yeah, deep breath, because
Okay.
the more you lean into things that are difficult in the investment world, that's when you'll learn how to really crush it when the fundamentals begin to go your way. Okay.
Right.
That's it's always easy when things are going your way to continue to do things and think, hey, I'm doing everything correctly. But if things are not going your way, that's where you're really shaped as an investor, as a trader. Okay. Your molding comes from that.
It's hard. It's hard. I have people telling me, I just bought gold and it's going down. What a lousy investment that was. And I'm like, no, that's not the right way to look at it. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I completely agree with it, because it's not a lousy investment just because the price of gold has come down. You have to understand why gold prices are coming down, which we'll address, based on your question.
Yeah.
But you also have to look at the reality of it, which is it is in a short-term downtrend. So I chose the words very specifically, short-term downtrend. Okay.
Yep.
There's nothing fundamentally, like if you look at why you got into gold, especially physical gold, because futures is a whole different ball game, right? And paper gold.
Yes.
We're talking about physical precious metals. And especially if you're doing coins versus bars, there are all of the fundamentals that existed in 2020 that caused gold to go up 30-40% in price in the earlier part of 2020 is still there or has gotten better, the fundamentals.
And has gotten better.
The reasons to buy gold has only intensified. That's how you have to look at it. Even if you look at what Jerome Powell said today, at the speech that he made, and the comments that they've done, and then the big tech sell-off we've had in the NASDAQ in the last week. The fundamentals to be in physical precious metals, both gold and silver, have only intensified.
Both.
It's just that the price action is in a short-term downtrend. Quickly to answer your question about what's going on with gold, I think a lot of your viewers want to understand that, right? What's going on with gold?
I want to understand it. I have my thoughts. I'll share them later, but I want to hear yours.
It's very simple, okay? And if you look at the broader picture of this, let's just rewind a little bit. In 2020, gold behaved exactly the way it's supposed to behave. It behaved as a safe haven. When you had the COVID crisis come on, you had the initial big drop in the stock market, and gold usually comes down with it. We've gone over that, the margin liquidation scenario, where gold comes down first, and then gold turns around as the stock market keeps dropping. And that's why gold went to a new record high, not new monthly highs, but new record high in 2020. Now, here's what you have to keep in mind. In that same time period, we all know that the COVID and the intensifying of the COVID situation across the world, if you look at smaller countries, it really affected them in terms of the economy. So the first reason, if you've been an avid precious metals, buyer, or someone who watches precious metals, you have to understand the bulk of the physical demand for gold comes from central bank purchases. Absolutely. It's not your $50,000 or your $250,000 or your 10 grand that causes gold prices to go up.
It's not about me.
It's not about us. Like,
okay.
Even if we don't have, $100 million that we can buy gold with in one day. But central banks, so, I would urge your, viewers and subscribers to go look at the major countries that buy physical gold during the course of a year and put it in their reserves. And what you've noticed is in late 2020 and early 2021, their purchases have gone down, the central bank purchases. And it's a temporary drop. And here's the reason for that. Because one, as gold prices went to a new record high in 2020, their existing gold portfolio for these countries, I'm not talking about an individual, but for a country, their portfolio increased in value. So it was an easier decision for them to liquidate some of their gold in order to pay for their economic stimulus programs that they had to create because of COVID.
Right.
Okay.
Makes sense, yeah.
Usually central banks don't like to sell their gold. They just want to keep hoarding and adding gold. But when you go through a crisis as crazy as it was in 2020 and as depleting to the economy, as it did in 2020, there are smaller countries that chose to sell some of their precious metals in order to fund their stimulus programs, because they're not like the United States or some countries in Europe where you can print a lot of money and you have a very large GDP, right? So that's one of the reasons why you're seeing weakness in gold prices short term, okay? The other thing is, in a way, it's related to those countries, but you got to look at India and China. India and China got significantly affected by the COVID crisis, and therefore their individual citizens, their ability to buy gold as jewelry has tapered. That's what it is, because India and China are the biggest purchasers of gold in terms of citizens. I'm not talking about a country right now, but just as individuals, their incomes went down. They got a hit, if you look at their industries. Therefore, because the economies are struggling, they didn't spend as much money on jewelry purchases as they did. And usually that's a lagging effect. If you see gold prices,
lagging indicator. Yep.
It's a lagging indicator. And that's why you see. So it's not it's not like, oh, gold is such a bad investment. Gold prices are coming down. Is it going to crash? No, it's because there is a reason fundamentally that these things are coming along.
That's okay, go ahead. No, you have something else too. Yep.
The final point that I'd like to quickly make is gold in late 2020 or the late part of third quarter and the fourth quarter of 2020 definitely took a backseat to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin took all the attention from a normal investor, like anyone you talk to, like even if you go to your hairdresser or your barber, he'll talk about Bitcoin today.
Everybody's talking Bitcoin.
Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or Litecoin, and people who, your Uber. When you're in an Uber, they're talking, hey, did you buy Bitcoin? That's what they're asking.
I know. Oops.
So the attention has gone to Bitcoin, which is normal. Whenever a market is creating new record highs and going up 100, 200, 300, 400% in a quarter, you will get more money flowing into that sector. And the other sector will be left out pretty much, in a way that it doesn't deserve to be left out.
Is it being left out, being no more funds are flowing into it, or is it actually being sold off because of Bitcoin? I would think it would keep it the same,
It's not being sold off. I think you're right. It's not being sold off, but the amount of inflows that we saw in the ETF sector in 2020, in the early part of 2020, is not as high as it was towards the end of 2020 because of Bitcoin. But one quick thing I want to let you know.
Go ahead.
Bitcoin has gone from a high probability trade to a low probability hold in the last month. Okay. So Bitcoin has become extremely overbought. Anything that goes up 300-400% in a quarter is no longer a high probability hold. And I think some of your members will agree, who I work with, where we have coached on how to ease off or scale out of that and get ready for the next month.
I've had people mention that to me, that's the coaching you're giving them. But at the same time, coming back to metals for a minute, the demand for the physical is still high. It is bought up like that. It is hard to keep in stock, and the premiums are through the roof. That's the other reason why I've been telling people, take a pause on physical silver and look at the physical gold, not only because of the premiums, but just the price, obviously. The price, not just because of the price drop, because also the premiums.
Yeah, I think the premiums just skyrocketed when the short squeeze or the perceived short squeeze in silver was going on, a couple of weeks. So much has happened since the last time we had this show.
A lot has happened. We're right.
A lot has happened.
Yeah.
But that's how it is. And the people who know precious metals and who go with the right kind of coins like gold American Eagles, silver American Eagles, or a few other coins of the realm, they'll understand that those premiums tend to they will get the advantage of those premiums when they get out of the market as well, sometime down the road. It's just that right now, I think I agree with you. When you look at gold versus silver, since gold's pulled back a lot, there might be a better opportunity in gold for a little while. But silver, I'm very impressed with the strength of silver. Today is the first day that silver actually dropped what it should have dropped over the last week and a half to 2 weeks.
That's why the GSR changed.
Yep. Held up as gold was getting hammered and hammered and hammered,
Yep, I hear you. Let me give you my 30-second or maybe 60-second opinion on why I think gold is getting hammered. And it does relate to the fact that this is primarily, I got to take a look at this Buffalo again. This is primarily a monetary metal. Not an industrial one. It is used industrially, but it is a monetary metal. Like you said, central banks are holding this, right? I think what's happening, especially with the Fed, is there is a perception among traders and a perception among Wall Street that the reaction by the Federal Reserve is going to be very similar to the past. That the inflation fears that we're feeling and seeing in a lot of different sectors all around, right? We're seeing prices going up, not just inflation, which is the increasing of M2 money supply, but also the CPI, the costs of commodities are going up, sugar and food and lumber and all these different things, gas, oil. We're seeing it. I saw it at the pump today. So I'm thinking that is happening and there's a reaction. But what I think the market is thinking is that the Fed is going to react by raising interest rates and by tapering their bond purchases and maybe even reducing their balance sheet that they have. That's not going to happen. That is a mindset that I think is flawed. If anything, Jerome Powell has made it as clear as day. They are not scared of inflation. They are not going to be raising interest rates. They can't afford to do that. It'll crash the markets, it'll crash our economy in the housing market. So I think there's a perception. And so people are thinking, and I think that's one of the reasons why we're seeing what we're seeing in the bond markets as well. We're seeing, the bond markets go way down, shockingly so. We saw one of the worst auctions this past a couple weeks ago. It was bad. And what's going to happen is we're going to see the government, you're going to see the Fed, I should say, keep interest rates low and start buying bonds like crazy. Right now they're spending, I think it's $120 billion a month. I think they're going to announce doubling that. They maybe have already increased it. We don't know yet. But I think it's going to be an amazing time when people realize, holy Moses, this inflation is real. And I need an inflation hedge. And they're going to come flying into precious metals.
Yeah, because, even with all this going on, Bank of America just reiterated their target for 2021 for gold to be at $2,063. $2,063. Wow. They just did that, I think, a few days ago.
They're seeing the big picture, the longer term. Yep.
Because this, no matter how complicated the Fed is or however complicated they want to appear that they are, right, or as sophisticated they are, they can only do two things. And they've proven this to us, like in every administration from Bernanke to everyone who's
Yellen,
changed.
Yep.
Yellen, going back the whole, 15, 20 years, they can only do two things. One, they can increase or decrease interest rates.
Right.
And the other is they can print money. That's it.
And they're printing
all
money.
They can do.
Right.
They can come up with all the fancy words, whatever. But in reality, that's all it is.
And it's not the only central bank to do that, right? all around the world. I have to say that last weekend, or I believe it was, Australia printed more and bought up their bonds. And it was almost like the markets reacted right after that. Gold reacted right after that. And I think that's the direction we're going to go. We're going to keep printing more to fund the stimulus, to buy the bonds that nobody wants. It's going. The money printing's not stopping. It's going
And also,
increase.
we have an administration that is very used to printing money. Like if you look at the Obama administration, I mean, whatever, the Biden administration is very similar to the Obama administration in some ways, So if you look at that, the first thing that they did was to print money. QE1, I mean, even the words quantitative easing 1, 2, and 3 all came during the Obama administration. The whole fact of buying bonds and printing more money. So I really believe we do have an administration that wants to print more and more money, and the real asset is gold. The real asset is gold. And after this short-term correction and this, different interest levels are looked at, you'll see that gold is going to be the asset that needs to go up in price, because right now it's the most oversold asset. I'm actually waiting for it to get a little bit more oversold. Really? It looks really great on the charts.
It's now what? What's the latest that I saw? It's below 1,700 now, I think.
Yeah, it's like 1690.
Yeah, and change. It's an amazing move. Do you have any chart? Do you want to show us around gold or silver, or do you want to move on with some stock talk?
I want to quickly show a gold chart.
Okay.
Just so that people can, because a lot of people are nervous about gold prices coming down, especially in our community, right? Like the physical precious metals community.
Right.
I'm not at all nervous about it. I do understand the frustration that it is coming down a little bit, but let's have a look, okay?
All right. We're looking at gold futures right now.
Yeah, so I'm just going to quickly show this chart for a couple of reasons. One, I think what you'll see is, let me just get this going. This is a gold, like you can see, this is a gold futures chart. It's a continuous spot contract, right? Like a continuous chart. But this is a weekly chart, okay, right now, weekly. That means at the bottom, we're not just looking at every day's worth of movement, but every candle in here is an entire week's worth of movement, okay? And what you can see is one of the two biggest indicators that we use to track whether a market is overbought or oversold, okay, is what's called an RSI and a stochastic. And we'll get into that, especially, in the trading education classes that I have for members who have done. We're learning a lot from this. What you can see here is in an RSI, if you are at or below 30, this is the RSI. So it goes from 100 to 0, right?
Yes.
We are now approaching 30 right here. You see that?
Yeah, I do.
On the RSI. And the last time when on an uptrend, when we corrected and then we approached close to maybe 40, we went up significantly, right? So we've had this nice sidestep kind of run. That's the first thing. Understand that we're getting really oversold, not in a daily chart. It takes a lot of data for the weekly to get oversold. So that's one. The other thing is the stochastic, you can see, has come down below 20. Okay, anything below 20 to 0 is extremely oversold. Now, what we're waiting for is this blue and this red line to cross, because when it crosses, you see this right here in November, in 2019, when that line crossed below 20, then you had this massive run up about $500 in gold.
Wow. Yep.
Big run up. Actually, $700 or so. I think a $700 run up. So we have not been this oversold. So it is exciting when you see like a market like Bitcoin get extremely overbought, get very, very low probability on the trend now. Not saying that it can't go higher over time, right? It's just that it might come down. And when that happens, when you get back to a market that is very, very oversold, it is exciting. It's just that it's going to take a little while. It's going to get to a support zone, and you'll watch the price action. And I teach this to a lot of my students. You watch the price action, and upon the confirmation of that price action, you can be in an asset that has a high probability of moving higher.
See, I just want to, I wanted to shout you out a little bit more about what you said when you say that your students. So I just actually, I found out just earlier about last week that somebody had just joined your class and had signed up for it, and I've heard others too are also taking your class, and I think that's fantastic because you understand the technical side of this and you understand how to read these charts. I'm not an expert at it. I'll be the first to admit it, but you can trade this. You actually can time some of your purchases better. I mean, you can obviously dollar cost average and just keep buying and buying and buying, but you can make some macro moves or even some micro moves, I should say, with the type of education and skill that you provide. So I just wanted to shout you out. I'm going to leave, by the way, Mukarram's information in the description of this video below, so you'll definitely want to check it out.
And a quick point to mention there, thank you for reminding me of that. What I've noticed is, because I've been doing this for a while when it comes to the education sessions and all that with different groups of people, with people who come from all different walks of life. Mm-hmm. But what I've noticed with your channel, Yankee, and the physical precious metals buyers who, some of your members who are now signing up for these classes, is that they're not just benefiting on the physical precious metals purchase and the timing of that,
yes,
but they have stock portfolios. They have an IRA. Yeah. They have a stock account at Charles Schwab or wherever, right? Mm-hmm. And learning how to trade and getting the skill of and learning how to create money will allow them to not only get better returns in their existing portfolio that they have that's outside of gold,
right,
but they can also learn how to protect that money and get into the right sectors and know when to get in and out.
You're talking paper. You're talking paper assets mostly, right?
Yeah, paper assets.
Okay.
Exactly. Any paper asset, because everyone has an account,
Yes, I understand. That's fantastic. So I do have a couple questions for you. All right. What's the difference between investing and trading this stuff? Because I look at this as mostly, as you know, insurance, right? Insurance and protecting my current wealth. I think that's important. We need to protect our 401ks. We need to protect, retirement. We need to protect our assets, right? But we also need to grow, all right? We need to grow our 401ks. And there's that tension there. And I want to know what the difference in your mind is. And before you answer that, I'm going to tell you a quote that I read just last week, and I want your take on it as well. And then I'll stop talking here. And it's from a value investor. Actually, the father of value investing is his nickname, and Benjamin Graham. He's an American economist and author. He said this: an investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, okay, that's key, promises safety of principal and an adequate return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative. So in other words, with the proper analysis and the proper safety of principal and an adequate return, that's what he thought was an investment. And if it didn't fall into that category, he saw it as purely speculative. What do you think of that?
No, I think it's a great like a reflection from Graham. I mean, Graham is an amazing, very intelligent human being. The one, I'll give you a way to look at investing and trading, which is what you asked in the beginning. But right. One reflection on that quote is, it seems like, to me, he's eliminating speculation from investing. So that's the only difference I would say. For me, investing has some level of speculation to it as well. Okay.
Fair enough.
Trading is a lot of speculation. Okay. But you
it's
can't
not black and white. There's a lot of it's a continuum. It's a grayscale here. All right.
Exactly. And I completely agree with him on that. Okay. But that's the only I think tweak that I would say, that in the way I approach it is I look at investing and I say, okay, investing has speculation in it as well. And trading has different aspects of speculation. But for me, here are the two things that I think people should take away whenever someone asks, what's the difference between investing and trading? First of all, there is a time component that's different between investing and trading. It's very, very simple. Anything that you consider as an investment is always medium to long term. It can never be short term. Okay. So there's always a time component. Whereas when you look at trading, most of the time it is short term. Now that short term can be divided into sometimes inside the day, which is some, day traders do it. Or that short term could be a few days hold, like a position holder or a position trader, or it could be a swing trade, which can last for about 2 to 3 weeks, right? Or even a month. But it's never something that ends up being like a year or 2 years. So the best way I can show that is if you buy an apartment or if you buy a house or buy a piece of land, that's an investment. Okay. But if you buy a stock and you look at it as, hey, I want it to go up in price, or I think it's coming down in price, because you can go short the stock as well. Yeah. That's a trade because it's going to happen in a few days. Now, here's the next thing. This is very important. I teach this in my classes. Okay. In order to be successful in investing and or trading, right? Because trading is a completely separate component. You have to know your goals when it comes to investing versus trading. And here's what I mean by goals. I'm not saying that, hey, I want to make this much money or this is what I want to do. That's not the goal. Right. Investing inherently has a goal of preservation of wealth and some growth. Okay. But trading has only one goal. That is, you have to make profits. You have to be a profit taker. Yes. If you don't know how to take profits, or you don't have a trading system that has an edge that will give you profits, then you're not trading, you're investing. And here's the last comment I'll make on this. Okay. And this is a mistake that a lot of people make. They go into an investment, but then they become a trader on that investment. They change their goal.
Interesting.
Sometimes they go into a trade and then they change it into an investment, especially when the market comes down. Like, for example, you can buy an Apple stock at a great support zone. Right, then the market goes up, but then it comes back down and they go, oh, you know what? I'm going to hold this now because I think Apple's going to go up, all these reasons. But now you've gone from a trade to an investment. And that's how you lose money consistently over time, when you change your goals.
Interesting. Do you have any stock? I mean, I do have some stocks. I've made some moves recently with my portfolio. I bought some lumber and wood stocks. I have some food and agriculture. I'm really focusing on where I think the commodity undervalued or value play for commodities could go big with an inflationary environment over the next decade. That's more of an investment than a trade here. But I also got into PSLV. Sprott's
Trust?
Yes, trust, right, exactly, with full backing of the shares with real tangible silver. So those are the moves I made. I do have a bunch of mining stocks that I've kind of doubled down on and bought some more on these dips because I have a long range view. I'm a long range investor, right? So I have a longer time horizon here. But do you have some stocks you've evaluated? In fact, I know you shorted the market last time we were talking. So I'm curious on where you stand on some stocks and also your short position.
There's a few things. I think that's great, amazing questions there, interesting topics. One, I want to share a stock where you can see a clear difference. They're both in the gold market, but you can see a very big difference. And I want your viewers to kind of learn this. It's a price action concept. Okay.
This is our
the second thing is, yes, I did short the market. I was a little early when I did it, and then it did perform well for me, in the last week and this week when the market dropped. But I also felt like I got out of it a little early as well, which is okay.
Yep. Not a bad thing. So you want to show something?
This particular thing, I want to. If you can, let me bring up the chart.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you something that I think if the viewers can catch on to this, this is a very interesting that I noticed a couple of days ago. Okay. So we know that we were talking about gold coming down and all that, right? We know this. Gold's in a short-term downtrend. So I said to myself, okay, so gold's in a short-term downtrend, but the more oversold it gets, like we talked about, it becomes more and more attractive, correct? So I want to show something that's very interesting. This is gold. Now this is a daily chart, right? This is the chart of gold. And you can see RSI and stochastics. And you can see how the gold market has in a short-term downtrend, right? It's kind of settling down because you can see the low, the price action is getting more stable inside the day, right? You don't have these big candles like you're seeing now, right? It's getting tighter. That's what we call it. It's a tight candle. And it's getting very, very oversold on the daily. But here's what's interesting, okay? And let's see if the viewers can just focus on it now. In the last 3 days, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
gold went lower each time. You see that?
Yes.
Each day it had, the previous day was, the next day was lower than the previous day. Okay. Which is normal.
Can you
when a
like zoom
market-
in on that right hand side a little bit?
You want me to zoom in on that?
Just a little bit. If you could, yeah,
Yeah, let me
just
see if
select
I
that
can-
section there.
Yeah, let me see if I can do
Because that is very.
There you go. Right there. Now this might
Yeah,
is
there
this
you
visible?
go. Yep.
Okay. All right. So this is a gold chart, like we said.
Mhm.
And the last 3 days, gold, the underlying asset, right, has had lower lows. You see that?
Yeah.
Each day there was a lower low. Okay. Which is fine because it's a market that's coming down. But have a look at this. I looked at the most famous gold stock that everyone looks at, right? Which is GOLD, which is Barrick Gold,
Barrick Gold. Yep.
right? Look at Barrick Gold, and I think I have it under your list as well because I think I remember you saying you
Oh
wanted.
yeah, you have my list. Look at that.
Look at this
I have a
chart,
list
Yankee.
now. Oh.
Look at this. Look at this chart, right? In the last 3 days, had a new high, did not break its previous low, at a very interesting price action.
Yeah.
Very interesting price action. That tells me that maybe Barrick Gold is a really good buy right now because it's refusing to create new lows even as the underlying asset, gold, continues to create new lows. Something to learn. These are the things
these
I
are great
my students.
tips.
This
Man.
is where you get the biggest trading advantage.
Oh man, I'm so glad I have you on my channel. This is great. I appreciate the help you're providing me and my viewers. Thank you so much. Is there any other from a stock talk standpoint? Any other stocks that you feel would be, interesting? Things that are really moving or things to watch out for?
Well, I'm not just saying the things that are really moving. Obviously, the market has come down quite a bit in the last few days.
Sure
But
has.
in a stock talk segment, and I think we should do this as on our monthly shows. We should have a stock talk segment because here's why I say that. Everyone has a stock portfolio, and I think everyone should learn how to determine their own destiny by learning how to trade better, because it's a skill you can learn. Okay, that's one. The second thing is you have to understand that there are sectors, and I've been preaching this over and over again. I've had other interviews with other influencers where I've been saying there are sectors that will outperform because of this administration, and it is your responsibility to learn how to profit from those sectors. So I want to show you how great certain stocks can perform if you are together as a group working and learning about this stock. So
What do you mean together as a group? Us here?
Either as however, like as a community, because the followers are a community, right?
Right.
How can we help the community get more educated about these opportunities and understand it's not just that stocks don't just go up 5%, 10% in a year if you know what you're doing. And here's what I'll show. And just on your list, I'm going to put a stock, and I'll show you this. Recently, I traded this, okay, SNDL, and this is a stock in the cannabis industry, okay, and I want to show you that in 3 days or 4 days, this stock went from 45 cents to almost $4.
What?
45 cents to almost $4. Imagine if we're a community and we knew, hey, these certain technical signals showed up, stochastics crossed, and this is the right sector to be in. Why? Because cannabis is a sector that the Democratic administration will support, right? That's what it is. We should just know it. And therefore, I positioned myself in this, and then it went from 45 cents. I was actually in the between 45 and 60 cent region. It went from there to almost $4.
Now, would you invest in this, or would you just trade this?
You trade it.
Okay.
You trade it.
Okay.
You do not invest in any of this, because here's what happens. People who tend to, let's say they were fortunate enough to get in this range, then when it went up so much, you can double, triple your money, right? That's what it did.
Wow.
Then right here, when I had my exit signal, right, because when you go up so much and then you have a gap up, and I'll teach you all this, but then when I exited, we can see a lot of people come in, and then guess what happens? There's a big drop. So you do not want to change from a trader to an investor right here just because your money went up so much and you say, oh, I think it's going to go to $20 now or anything like that, right?
Yeah, you need discipline. You must teach discipline when the gut is saying, "Oh yeah, baby, what?" No, no. Look at the charts. Look what we said. Look what your goals were. You need to
And then you're out.
You
You
do what
exit.
you're supposed to do and do it. And even if you look and you see, oh man, I got out early, you're still, what they say, right? Bulls win, bears win, but pigs get slaughtered.
Pigs get slaughtered. Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
here's another one that I want to show because I want people to understand it's not just in the pennies that this is happening.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is pennies. Yeah.
Let me show you another stock that I was in and I actually didn't catch as much of the movement, but I want to show you how strong these sectors are. So SPI, I was in this stock, and I want to show you that. Let me see if I can add this on. SPI. Hopefully it'll let me add it. Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
This stock, and I'll have to back this up just a little bit to a weekly chart. This stock went from $2 and change to $44 in a few days. $2 to $44.
Where did you get in, Mukarram?
I got in at $1.82 and I got out in the high tens because it was like it had gone up so much, and then suddenly in a few hours it went to $40. Okay, that's what taught me. This was somewhere in late last year. That's what I said the market's changing. I'm now going to figure out a way to hold these positions longer. So I'm going to show you another stock quickly that you can understand.
No, I appreciate this. This is, you're right. We all want to stack and preserve our wealth. We want and we believe in physical precious metals, but we also do have our portfolios. We do want to make sure that we're investing and even, I guess, trading better. And you're an expert when it comes to this.
Look at this stock. It went
amazing.
from $9 to $140.
Come on. What is this?
This is WNW. Okay. There's so many. I can just go on.
All right. And where'd you get in and out on this one?
I didn't get in on this, but I got in something that's related to this. But I'm just trying to show the viewers that these are the types of opportunities that exist in the market if you are working together as a group and then you understand what sectors to be in and things like that.
So question, how does someone find these stocks to buy? Cheap.
Well, there's a couple ways.
And then actually do this, what you're doing.
Well, it's not easy. Okay. I don't want to make it sound that it's easy. It's just good. First, I think it's important. I mean, we have to understand that it's going to take work. First, you have to learn how to trade. You have to learn how to set up a position, how to build a massive position, even on red days. Like, for example, today, like I'll show you another. I'm in a few stocks that on red days, I add to it because I believe in a sector. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't always go up for you, right?
It does not. Yeah, it goes red. Yep. And then I look at my research and then I say, hey, should I be in this? Should I add to this? Now, I was in this stock at $2 and change, and this went to $13. And you can see this is such an easy stock. It's an EV sector. It's electromechanica, solo, and it nicely accumulated. This is what we call an energy base or an accumulation base in stocks. You can see after that, its first run from around $1 to $4, it nicely accumulated right here. And then it broke out and went from $3 to $13 in just about a week and a half. Right. You see that? Yep. So imagine if you had 1,000 positions or 2,000 positions, which is $3,000 or $6,000 right here. And then it goes to $13. It's like $26,000.
Right. But a lot of people are chasing it at that.
That's why, exactly. That's why you
and they'll lose their shirts. Mukarram, a lot of people don't. Yeah, somebody's left holding the bag there when it drops.
That's why I teach everyone, like I teach my students, you have to buy when it's oversold and sell, like where gold is today, right?
Exactly.
Oversold, start accumulating and sell it when it has become extremely overbought and when there's a lot of people jumping on it.
FOMO is not your friend, Mukarram.
No, not at all. And it's not a sophisticated method of trading. And when you ask me the question, well, how do you do this? Well, you do this by learning how to trade from the basics. A lot of people who come and join me say, in my sessions, until the third or fourth session is when I go into real trading, and they ask me, well, Mukarram, how come we didn't learn which market to buy? It's because trading is not just about hitting the buttons, the buy button and the sell button. Trading is 80% mental, 20% skill, and you have to learn that mental skill is very, very important. Wow. Sorry, Yankee. When you get me going,
I got you going. I get going on this stuff too, man. I'm sorry. You got to admit, that's a beautiful piece of gold, man. So I appreciate all this wealth of knowledge that you've been giving us, some teasers there. That's fantastic. If people want to get in touch with you, obviously I'm going to put the information in the description of this video. They can reach out to you. You can talk to them just to see if it's something that they're interested in doing. I know more and more of my subscribers and some of my members keep saying, I got in. Mukarram's helping me, dude. I'm like, really? I said, yeah, loving it. So, yeah, I know it's happening. So if you're interested, definitely give Mukarram a ring. I think it might have actually been in the chat. I hope it has. But anyways, I'll put, again, I'll put that information down below. Thank you so much for helping me out, man. I appreciate this time.
You're welcome, Yankee. You're welcome. You do so much for your community, and you're such a great human being when it comes to helping your followers and even the clients that we've helped that came from you. There's such great people, and that's what I love about the community, right? So that's why I thought, hey, let's have a Stock Talk segment and let's get stronger and stronger this year, not just in physical precious metals, but also learning how to manage and trade ourselves in the markets.
All right. Well, thank you for watching Yankee Stacking, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope your day is A-OK. All right, now, Mukarram, do you have some time for some Q&As? Because I've been watching this chat, and I hope I have maybe 5. I know I've taken a lot of your time, haven't I?
It's okay.
Is that all right?
I dedicated my time for you.
Because people, and we've got some giveaways, guys, to get to after Mukarram leaves, so don't go anywhere. We're going to really be giving away a pile of stuff, but all right, so Mukarram, let's take some. Actually, did you say that you would take some ticker symbols in the chat?
Yeah, I can take ticker symbols. I mean,
right.
Maybe we'll take 3 ticker symbols.
3. You got three tickers. First 3 in there. All right. What do you think about JAG? JAG.
Here's what's interesting. The system that I use and how I trade. You can look at any symbol. Okay. Is it JAG? On which stock exchange is it trading on? Is it the NASDAQ one? AGX or JAG?
JAG, I see.
Okay, because I have a couple different ones, but don't know if they can give the name of the company, that'll help as well. Because
we'll come back to that. How about MVIS?
Oh, MVIS. Yeah, I've heard of MVIS. I haven't traded it, but MVIS. Let's look at MVIS. Microvision, right? From NASDAQ. Okay, let's look at that. So here's what's interesting. We're on a daily chart. Let's put it up. There you go. Nice chart. It looks so. Here's what's interesting from this. We have to learn, how do we train our eyes so when we look at a chart, it tells us when is a good time to buy, when is a good time to accumulate, and when do I get out. Right. Now, immediately, just to let you know, full disclosure, I have not traded MVIS. MVIS. Yeah. But when I look at this chart, I can see that it had a great accumulation, and I'll draw it out right over here.
Actually, I need to make.
You had the nice breakout that happened with the accumulation here, right?
Hold on a second.
This was the first breakout.
I want to get this.
After that first breakout, you'll have the drop down, and then a nice channel builds. And the moment you take out this area right here, that's when it's going to accelerate, which is exactly what it did, from $10 to $24. Great ticker symbol, by the way, whoever gave it to me, right? Great run up. But then you can see by the time it got extremely overbought, this is why the technical indicators that I teach are so important. It was time to exit. This is how I sum this up. Over here, it was a high probability trade. Over here, it no longer was a high probability trade. Okay, that is why you need to get out of it. Why is that? Because trading is all about probabilities and not possibilities. Okay. Now.
So what indicator, again, would you say what indicator would have tipped you off of there?
The RSI and the stochastics. I don't really complicate the indicators. You can easily see very, very overbought and get out, right? Now, just be careful because the overall markets are kind of, going in the red and they're weak. So anything you buy right now will have some, extended weakness. But in reality, I wouldn't look at this until it comes back into this support region right here.
Okay.
All
right.
Okay, sorry.
That's good. No, that's good. That. I want to give a few more before we run out of time here. Theta. Have you had a chance to look at Theta?
Theta, I've read about it a little bit. I did look at it, but I don't see it as something that I would be trading. But I know a couple times people have asked me about that.
Yeah, they have been. Yeah. How about INDXF?
What's the symbol?
INDXF.
INDXF. Okay, is it Indus Holdings or it's an OTC market?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so if it trades on the over-the-counter market, it's going to be a little bit more volatile. Volume dries up quite a bit. I don't really like the chart on this, you see, because it's not trending. It's not telling me that you can go into something with a trader mentality, hold it for a few days and make a very large chunk, and then protect your downside risk as well, because you can always lose money. But in this, it's very choppy. Yes, it's going up, but it's in an OTC stock.
Yep. SBSW?
SBSW. That sounds like another OTC stock. SBSW, is it? Oh no, it's a ADR. Okay. SBSW. Okay.
Still range.
It's range bound.
Yeah.
No, you don't get these big moves in this one, right? So this is something that I mean, it's up to you depending on your due diligence and your research. If you like it. It looks like it's in an uptrend, but I wouldn't be putting a lot of money into it to get in and out of it.
All right, I'm gonna keep firing these at you until you tell me to stop. PLTR.
PLTR.
Yep. Oh, and then of course Bitcoin. Somebody threw BTC in there, so.
Bitcoin, okay. PLTR, is that the one I had?
PLTR, yep.
Palantir, okay. Palantir is a good company, by the way. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go, 2473. Now this, you can see the difference between that other stock and this, right?
Yep.
You can see how it's trending, but not only is it trending, but it gives you big chunks in the middle where you can make large amounts of money. Now, what's interesting is this has had a nice three-wave movement up. And a breakout, but now it needs to settle out. And right now, here's the first thing that should pop out when you train your eye. This is support zone right here. Yeah. And right now it's figuring out. See, markets are like living organisms, right? And stocks are like living organisms. They will communicate. And I know people will think I'm crazy. They will talk to you and they'll tell you, hey, this is what I feel like doing if you're smart enough to look at my price action. And what this is saying is in this range, if it fails here, it'll go lower. But if it can turn around and go up, it has a lot of potential.
All right, man, I could do this all day. But this is the type of stuff that you really work with your clients on, right? You work through this so that they learn how to recognize it themselves, right?
Exactly.
All right.
Exactly. Then they learn how to train their eye, and then they can learn how to fish, not just try to get a fish. You know what I mean?
That's awesome. I think, is there any other, we didn't talk about silver very much. Okay. We didn't. You said it was strong, showing a lot of strength until recently, right?
I think it's just simply by looking at the chart, you can see when you're talking about silver, the fact that silver went up quite a bit, on that run up, but if you can show the chart, here's the difference between a gold chart and silver. See, remember the gold chart where it was trending down? But silver tries to come down, but then it's in a sideways range.
Yeah.
Right? The whole time it's trading in a sideways range. And that is telling me that it has intrinsic strength. It does not want to break down. This whole area, it's not going lower like this, right?
Yes.
It's having a sideways range.
Ape strong, right? Silver heist.
Yeah,
we're big. I love Wall Street silver now. I've been kind of just hanging out there a lot, and I just think it's fantastic. I think there is a drive towards squeezing the shorts again. I don't think it's over yet, and I also think with the inflation that we're seeing, I think we're gonna see it reflected in silver. It's an industrial metal. We're going to see this price go up. At least right now, it's just holding strong.
It could come lower because of the weakness in gold, but both are short term.
Yep.
but it's showing you intrinsically, it's communicating, saying, hey, I'm getting stronger and stronger, and I like getting comfortable here. Now when I break out, I can really go up.
Yep. Wow, man, I've taken up way more than I thought I would. Thank you so much, Mukarram, for sharing this time with us. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. And don't forget to protect your IRAs and 401ks.
Oh,
if you
man,
have
we
them
didn't
in
even
your
have time to talk about IRAs. Next time. Next
Next
time when we're on, we're going to talk about our IRAs and 401ks. Okay, thank you so much, Mukarram. Have a great
Thank
one,
you.
bud.
You're welcome.
All right,
Bye-bye.
take care. Man, did you guys enjoy that? Put a 1 in the chat if you thought that was pretty cool. I loved it. I just was curious to see if you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I could listen to this guy for hours. I'm sorry, that's just the way I feel about it. But, man, let's, oh, man, I get to stare at this some more. Oh, good. I'm glad. I'm trying to bring value to you guys on my live streams. It's fun. It's definitely fun. I want it to be edutainment. How's that? A little bit of entertainment and education that I honestly cannot give you like Mukarram can. He's got the skills I don't possess, but I am so glad he enjoys being on the stream with you. So again, I'll leave the info for the last time. I'll say that info in the description. Reach out to Mukarram. He'll help you out. We got to give these away, don't we? But we also have to give away more of the gold backs. What a mess I've made here. Hold on, guys. Here's my gold backs. Yeah. We got some big denominations to give away. We're not done yet. We're not done with this. Oh, and one more thing. I almost forgot. We got the grab bag. We got giveaways galore. In fact, oh, man, let's give away that buffalo. I don't think so, silver and gold. All right, so, and I got to think about this. I want to space some of these giveaways out, and plus it's going to take time. How about this? How about this? I'm going to do a giveaway for everybody in here. It's silver, all right? And I'll reach in and I'll grab something, and it is... Ooh, Constitutional Silver from jcsgold.com. 4 quarters. 4 silver quarters. Let's pull these out. This one is going to be open to everyone. We're going to open this up to everyone. Yeah. There we go. This will be the next giveaway. We'll do it with the wheel of names. $1 face. Gotta love the silver. Hey, Little Stacks, what's up, man?
Hey, hi.
How are you?
Just showing up.
Hey, we're giving away the gold backs too.
Are we?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. If you'll join me, I'll slide over. Yeah, we'll do the gold backs now. I'm not gonna miss out on this opportunity to have my son with me. You guys okay with Little Stacks joining in this part of the live stream? Rhonda, thank you so much for that 5 spot. That was very mic drop. I don't know. I guess they enjoy having you here, man.
I guess so.
Yeah. All right. Give your son that item you got in the post. Okay.
What'd you get into what?
Check this out, dude.
Ooh, what's this?
Check this. Oh yeah.
Did someone make this?
Somebody. Yes. Exactly.
I recognize all the punches.
Frank. I don't know if Frank's still in the chat. Frank got all this and sent it to me.
Yeah, I recognize the punches.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Oh, really? On the ring?
Yeah.
Well, it's not ours. We gave that away.
Oh, well, that sucks.
The ring is big. You got to admit that's way too big.
Way too big.
However, he had 2 other things. One of which there it is. Check this out. What do you think of the cross?
Oh, that's actually really cool.
Would you like it?
Sure.
Do you want it?
Sure.
All right, man.
I thought you gave it away.
No, that I am giving it away right now. Little Stacks. Thank you again, Frank. That was really nice. Jay, thank you for the 5 spot. Wow, awesome.
I'll be right back.
Oh, where you going?
Just.
I know where he's going. I knew it. Frank. Yes, he's going to get that. I know. Thank you so much, buddy. And I haven't even shown him this. Silver is still manipulated. Little Stack said to give the cross to me. Oh, he did, mister. He's my boy. He's not so little anymore. Political puppet theater. It's getting big. I'm gonna get all emotional here. So anyway, we're gonna give away. All right, so we're gonna give away the quarters, and then we're gonna give away one of these to a member, and then we're gonna give away all the gold backs. That's enough, man. We're gonna run out of
I
time.
didn't think it would fit, but it does.
It does?
Yeah.
Show it. Put it up.
This, I don't know where Dad got the chain.
Yeah,
but like,
that's your chain, right? You
Yeah.
put all the stuff. You had a ring on.
I
there?
had the ring that. Who made it?
Oh, you put me on the spot, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I
okay,
think
yeah,
it was-
the silver ring.
Yeah, silver ring, that's something like
oh,
that.
shoot, it's on the tip
Corner
of my
ring
tongue.
guy?
Corner ring guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Corner ring guy made that for you, right? Yep. Oh, it's around your neck. I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks,
Okay,
Frank. Yes. Frank, right there. Frank Cavigia. Cavigia?
Vigia?
Oh,
Vigia?
man. Frank, thank you. And welcome to the Patriot Pistol,
Ooh.
Jay.
Is
Thanks
it
so
belt
much.
buckle?
Yes, that's the belt buckle.
Did you give this away?
No,
Oh.
that's mine.
Oh, really?
It's a silver belt buckle.
What are you going to put it on?
Yeah, which one, right? I
Yeah.
know. I have a few leather
You
straps.
do. You have one that I made you that
That's
you don't
true.
wear.
That's true.
I made you.
No,
I spent-
no, you're wrong.
I
The
spent-
buckle broke. Dude, the buckle broke.
You gave me that buckle.
No, the buckle broke. I'll show it to you. But I could put this on it. Don't give me
It's-
that
no,
look.
it's not-
Don't
no.
give me that
You
look.
could, but there's no
Oh
holes in
my
it.
goodness.
You have to fix it one because I also want
All
to
right,
use that
fine,
belt
fine.
when I can.
All right.
when I-
Yes, you want that belt, don't you?
want it, yeah.
You want that belt.
I spent, like-
you gotta gain a few pounds, dude.
I spent like three, like what, a whole like
Oh man, this
a whole
this stream
like
is
a
going
whole
to pot.
month working
All
on
right.
this, right? A whole like quarter.
Are you gonna
I-
complain to the people in the chat?
Yeah, I
No!
spent a whole quarter working on this.
we
It is
gotta
like
do a
a
giveaway.
big project. It's not easy, okay? And then I make it and I give it to him, and he doesn't wear it.
I
like,
did.
Ever.
I did wear it. Tell the people right now I wore that
You
belt.
did wear it.
Yes, thank you. Don't
Once,
say that. Oh,
twice.
no, it wasn't. Oh, you're just giving me a hard time now. Stop it. Rhonda, thank you for joining. Oh, man, I appreciate all the new members. This is going to be fun. And these 4 quarters we're going to give away to anyone in the chat, right? So let's do it the new fangled way. I got a new way to do it.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Watch this.
You seem confused.
No, I'm not confused. I did it a few times. You just went around. You switch. All right, everybody, put something in the chat if you're interested in getting in on these 4 quarters.
I feel like something isn't specific. They could just.
They can put anything they want. They just have to be a participant, and the only way you're a participant is if you've put it in the chat recently. That's how it works. And then we're gonna go to the wheel of names.
The wheel of. Oh, does it automatically?
Yeah, now you're getting it.
Wow.
So now everyone's putting it in. Give them a few moments so they can put it in. I also bring up this so that I can paste it in. All right, it's all gonna work. All right, so that's it. I think the time is up. Let's move to participants.
Part.
All right, and then I'm going to copy that into here, and then I'm going to copy that into.
Well, you're gonna get
Here.
like member.
Huh? I know
That
it
works.
happens,
I-
okay, but I shuffle, shuffle, and if it happens, we'll just spin it again. All right, so here we go. Let's switch over to the browser. All your names are in here, including member and member and new member and member and member.
And member 1 month, member 2 months, member 6 months.
All right,
Just
okay.
6
Let's
months.
spin it for the quarters, everyone. Oh man, I love you. So glad you're here.
Actually, did member 6 months replace the rat sack?
Yeah, well, he is a member of 6 months.
Exactly, but
Right.
did it replace his name?
No,
No?
it's mixed in there now. I
Okay.
shuffled it. I saw it in there. Oh, J
Oh,
Bell, can you
oh.
hold on? No. Ah, man, it's gonna be
Streamlabs.
Streamlabs. No, I gotta spin it again right now.
No, that means we keep it.
No, it
Joking.
means we spin it again. Oh, shut up, Streamlabs. All right, so here we go. Should I shuffle again? No, I'm just gonna spin it. Here we go.
What if you shuffle it?
Streamlabs, it just mixes it up. Of course, you're here and it does Streamlabs.
Yeah, I mean.
All right, here we go. That's a blank in there too. Yeah, that's not good. All right,
Well,
here we go.
someone's name might be
Oh,
blank.
no,
I knew member.
no! What the? Jeez. Oh, come on, Ryder! Come on, Ryder!
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! Phew! I was worried there. Ryder Reddick, congratulations. You just won all these quarters. You got to email me at yankeestacking@gmail.com. Mail me your mailing address. Would you write that down right there? Boink. Ryder Reddick. Nicely done. All right, so now we're going to... Oh, that's cool. Oh, you missed the gold reveal, dude.
What?
My Buffalo. Look at this.
What is it? What are these? The quarters?
Look at this. No.
The quarters? No, these.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 4 quarters. Dude, I got a Buffalo. He's writing it down. Dude.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah. Excuse you. Look. A gold 1-ounce Buffalo
That's cool.
coin. Yeah. I actually have been wondering, should I replace... Oh, this is a good one. Should I replace my gold American Eagle that I do the iconic sign-off after my videos with the Buffalo? Then I could put this back in the tube of the Yankee Cannon. Because the Yankee Cannon is one short.
Or you just get another gold ASC. Or gold.
No, I don't know.
Gold
Let's
Eagle.
see. All right, we're going to look at the chat. This is going to be the vote right here.
I thought they would say no.
No, yes. No, don't you dare, says Resellers Highway. Yes, love the Bison. Yep. The Holo is super. No. Yes, no, yes. Don't you dare. Oh, man. Swap, Bison. No. I'm seeing slightly more no's, which that actually surprises me.
Really?
Yeah. I thought they would like that.
You're the Silver Eagle guy.
Gold Eagle.
Yeah.
And Silver Eagle.
Yeah.
But right. You're right.
Eagle.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, so that was the giveaway. Let's do the gold backs because I know you and I did the gold back video and that was a lot of fun.
No, there's a few over here.
Those are done. Those are already sold to. See what I did? I went one gold back, one bug back, one bug back, blah, 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 right? So you'll need to write down. Nope.
That was there.
Oh, okay. Yep. All right. So we're gonna do all 3 of these 1 gold backs. Then we're gonna do 2 5 gold backs, and then we got a 10 gold backs. So we're gonna just rip through these, right?
Yeah.
I think that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought I only had 5 left.
I don't know.
How many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in there? 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. 4? That's why.
Yeah.
Yep, that's why here. There you go. All right, so now let's do this. So we're going to do the wheel again. We're going to just take what's there, guys. We're going to just take there. What's there? Get ready. I'm going to shuffle, 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 shuffle. And this is for the 1 gold back. I'm going to just whip through these. Then, before we get to the 10, we'll probably do the member giveaway. Members only.
Do you still do that? Like the stickers?
Yeah, how do I do that?
Stickers. Or the emojis. Whatever.
Yep,
Or did you before?
that's true. We'll do it that way. Oh, it looks like Kuna Coins might pull it off. I sure hope it's not participants. Come on. Come on. There it is. Kuna Coins. Write that down. Put a 1G next to it. Kuna Coins. Fun. Put that underneath there. Yeah, we'll finish off the 1 gold backs. These are really cool. If you don't know what they are, you want to understand all the incredible elements on my New Hampshire gold backs.
You have a video.
I have a video. Yeah. Check out my last video. Definitely. All right. Let's spin again. This one's for the 1 gold back. So shiny. Yes, Dan, I agree. Shuffle, 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 and spin.
Gold backs.
This is the last of the 1 gold backs we're giving away tonight. Who's gonna win it?
Ooh.
I'm guessing Dan. I think you might hold on to it.
Is.
I think it's gonna be Dan Vanessa? Vanessa? I think you did. Yeah, Dan, congratulations. You just won the 1 gold back. The last that we're giving out tonight. So congratulations. This is a really nice one. Vanassi? Yeah. All right, congratulations. And we're going to give away 2 5s and a 10. The fives are one of my favorites. I love the covered bridge design. It's really cool. So we'll do the 5 go backs. That's a 1/200th of a troy ounce. So, all right, let's spin it. I think we're gonna do. Let's put in your comment right now. I'm gonna reline up or reload the comments, I should say. Reload them.
What? When you put these in here,
yes.
Are they in that?
Yeah, they fit in there. That's the maple musket, dude.
I
don't know what the maple musket is.
No, I know what it is. I just didn't know if it was. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So everybody's putting their comments in. Thingamajigger says, I'm in. Made a statement there. All right. So we've reloaded.
Yabba dabba.
We are about to go to participants. I'm going to go all. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste. I'm going to do all. Copy. And just so everybody sees me do it. Paste. Boom. And shuffle, 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 shuffle. And let's spin. This is for a 5 goal back.
You know, I think I'm more excited for the start of Falcon and the Winter Soldier than I am for the end.
Oh my god, of WandaVision?
WandaVision.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that's a tough one, Joe. I don't know. Man, have you guys been watching WandaVision out there? Love WandaVision. Yeah. All right, so first we gotta announce the winner here. It looks like Gambit 47 is gonna pull it off. Good job, Gambit 47. All right.
What do you get? 5 gold back.
He got the 5 gold back. Yeah, pretty nice. All right, before we move on, put that underneath there. Before we move on to the next 5 and 10, which we will also give away, we're gonna give away the. Whoa, what am I doing? We're gonna give away one of these to our members. So, I'm thinking I'm gonna look at. Yeah, I know, right? Which one? All right, I'm gonna ask my members only. This is number 1. This is number 2. Which do you want me to give away? Just members. I'm gonna look at the members. 1 or 2. 1 or 2.
5. Yeah. You said 5.
I saw that. Hey, SFAR 100. Welcome to the Yankee Militia. Glad you're aboard here. So not that. Yeah. All right. So I got 1. I'm only gonna look at the members now.
2.
Members.
2.
Oh, they want the war.
Oh, there's the 1. This one.
I'm seeing more 2s. I'm gonna go with 2s. From JCS Gold. He just stuck this in there.
Well, I mean,
bonus.
Safar did it like 14 times. so kind of.
It's not an exact scientific poll, okay, dude. I think you could do polls in the chat.
I think you can too.
Can I? I don't know if I've ever done it.
Well, I know you can send a link to a poll. That's
yeah,
what usually they do.
It would be nice to be able to do it. So I think Morgan's the way to go. So we're gonna do this.
Hero 3.
Oh, Hero 3, welcome. Another member. This is great. So we're going to do a members only giveaway. I'm going to put I need a strip of paper. Oh no, I'll put it on the back of JCS Gold.
Is that empty on the back?
Yeah, I'm going to write something back here with a pen. Thank you. And it's going to be pick a number. That's what it's going to be.
Oh, how about...
Oh, no, don't say it out loud, bro. I'm going to put in a range. You're going to write down the... huh? What?
That's the number.
How do we do this?
Fine.
No. Let's do it between this and this. Okay? And then the number will be on the other side, right here. And which all right, tell me the number between.
Well, my number's not in that.
Well, it's too bad. I picked a different range. All right, no, I got it.
Well, now, do you want my number or not?
You write it down here, buddy. Sorry. All right, just write it right on the front there, between that range.
This is a bad pen.
I know, right? Okay, there it is.
Got it right.
So I'm going to put this in front of the camera. So it's not going to be typed in the chat because people get all upset about that. And I'm going to roll the dice. Gold has smashed the S&P 500 for the last 20 years. Good point, David. Thank you for that $2 super chat and making that cool statement. All right, this is members only. We're going to be counting the members. Members. I'm going to stick the question in front of the camera. I'm going to roll. It will be the 14th person. The 14th person, and it's just for members. Just for members this time. Yes, it's discrimination, James. It's my stream, my giveaway. I'm trying to be generous, and I get to pick, right? I want to shout out and say thanks to my members. So here comes the question. Here it comes.
Numbers yet, and they're guessing.
Huh?
Everyone's guessing without knowing the numbers.
I know. Everybody settle down. I should put slow chat on. What do you think? Should I put slow chat on?
Yeah.
How many do we have in here? We have only 169. Yeah, let me see if I can put slow chat. Enable slow mode. Seconds between messages. That won't be too mean. No, let's make it like 10 seconds. It'll be over by then. All right, save that. We are now switching into slow. I think. I don't know. There it is. Slow mode is on. All right. Get ready. Get ready. Members only. And it's going to be the 14th correct answer. Unlimited guesses. Go.
Unlimited guesses.
Unlimited guesses.
Oh
That's the range right there, guys.
what was the number?
Oh, I know what it is.
No,
Here we go.
14th,
Members only. Members only.
14th correct answer?
Oh, shoot. That's a dumb move.
It really is.
Yeah, it's a dumb move. Sorry. I'll do 2-1. The 4th correct answer. The 4th. Right.
Sure. It's still like 25.
I know.
Answers.
It is a lot.
I haven't even seen it once, though.
Have they guessed it?
No.
I don't think. No, they haven't guessed it. But it's slow mode. We're good.
Keep scrolling down.
Oh, man.
Father.
Dude.
No, I don't.
Whoa. Have you even seen it once? Yeah, I see it. I see it once.
They can see your.
I see it once.
See your mouse.
I know they can.
They now know what they.
No, they don't know what it is.
Oh, they're looking. One Q4 is not an answer.
I think I saw it. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is bad. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Oh my.
I would have just been like, oh, let's do the first one.
Going back to the wheel after this. It's
Well, yeah.
right. By now it's got to be in there, so I'm flipping it over.
What, 4 times?
It's 116. So now I got to find 116 post haste. Fourth time, the 4th person. All right, so there's one. Robert Pruess. 1. 2 is Shark Tooth Stacker. 3 is.
Nope, that's 115.
3 is
118. 115.
3 is. Oh, he tried, but it doesn't count. 3 is. I'm still not seeing it.
Yeah. Oh, there's.
There's 3. There's 3. Canadian Stacker. Where's the 4th one?
Oh, I see him.
There it is.
Canadian.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Canadian Stacker comes in quick with the Morgan.
He was confident about it too.
He did. Butchered that giveaway, but I'm sticking with it. Congratulations, Canadian Stacker. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, everyone. All my members appreciate you trying to. Yeah, Canadian Stacker's like, what? Good job. And is a member? Yes, Canadian Stacker is certainly a member on that giveaway. So that was a special. Write down Canadian Stacker, Morgan. Thank you, buddy. Put that over here. I had 14. That would have been all night. I would have messed up royally. All right, I had to quickly switch it to 4.
Canadian Stacker, what was it?
Canadian Stacker got the Morgan silver dollar.
Can I just put Morgan?
Morgan is perfectly fine. Yeah, no. Put a 1929 very fine Morgan silver.
No.
All right, thanks a lot, guys. 4th is better than 1st. Yeah, I know. Hey, it is what it is. I said 4th.
Even get a medal, so I mean.
4th.
I
Sometimes
really
I do that. I have to roll it, but we're going back to the wheel. Let's go back to the wheel.
To wheel.
Let's do the 5. What do you think? Yes, the other 5. We're going to give this away. Open to everyone. Okay, we're just going to need you to put in a chat. Everybody put in something in the chat, especially you non-members who didn't put anything just a moment ago. We need you in here. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then, okay. Everybody's in on the giveaway.
Well, I mean, probably.
Yellow something. So, well, that's good right there. Quicksilver knows, and so does Amir.
Quicksilver,
They put something in the chat.
Well, that's actually such a good name. Quicksilver. Oh, that's great.
You love that, huh?
Yeah, especially if he plays off of the quick, thing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. You're a Marvel nut. Yes, you are. All right. So you guys, yeah, who out there is enjoying WandaVision? Just curious. Say I am. I am. If you are enjoying WandaVision. Let's see something. Spin the wheel, bro. Oh,
Yeah,
somebody's
bro.
upset.
Spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel, bro.
Spin the wheel, Yankee. Do it.
Oh my goodness. I'm just curious. I am. All right, there's a few. I am, yeah. All right. It's
I'll
cool.
watch WandaVision and enjoy it. Couldn't get into WandaVision.
No.
I think when people have the problem with it, or why people have the problem with it, is because, they're like, what? This isn't, Marvel. We ain't
I know.
like superhero things.
I know.
You gotta
Yeah.
get through the beginning. 'Cause,
Yep.
like, it's so much. I think it's very important that if you're invested into the MCU as a whole, that you watch WandaVision. Maybe not for the sake of if you enjoy the
I gotta spin the
characters.
wheel, bro.
Well, you can spin the wheel as I talk. Maybe not if you like. You just might not enjoy the silver, or enjoy the. you might not enjoy the characters,
Yeah.
but you still want to watch it because it's gonna hold a greater value in the upcoming MCU as a whole.
I think you're right, and I think Marla Gold's about to get ripped off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Marla!
Participant.
Oh.
We should just give it to her.
We can't do that.
I
Sorry, Marla. That was so close. Taking phone calls? I don't think tonight. Silver Chaser. Man. I didn't turn it on, I don't think. I don't think I did. I turn on the call?
Button it.
Ask Yankee is not on. Maybe I'll take one call. But first, Audra, Natney, can she hold on? Gambit, it's already won. I think Audra's got it. Nice. Thanks again for that 5 spot. And I will turn on the Yankee call line for you, Silver Chaser. How's that?
What'd you win?
Huh?
I wasn't really paying attention.
You weren't paying attention. She got the 5 goal back. The 5. We'll take a call, and then we're going to get rid of the 10 goal back. Huh?
Okay, yeah.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. All right, you're going to listen in on this too, huh?
No, I'm just gonna sit here like in complete dumb. Yes, I'm gonna listen.
All right, let me turn it on, wise guy. Ask Yankee. There's the number should be popping. Well, actually, it takes a while for it to pop up. Let me put the number in the chat.
Approximately 13.
Yeah.
13 what? I don't know. Just 13.
All right. Let me put in the number. Here comes the call line number, and this one's really, I know everybody can call in, but I want to give first dibs to Silver Chaser 21. 21.
You said it right the first time.
Silver Chaser 21, give me a ring. He wanted to call in, and, well, he dropped $5 in the chat, so.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Not the first 3 episodes. John didn't like it, huh? Yeah, interesting. Call line is open. The last goal back is coming up. It is a pretty one. It's got the Yankee cannon on it. It's got the Yankee cannon.
I know. I was
Fine.
in the video.
Oh, okay,
Where are we
fine.
talking?
I know that. I know. I think David Dowling wants it. You can't call from your country, says Potatus Pockard. Sorry about that. All right, we got the call. Here it comes. Hello, you're on with Yankee and Little Stacks.
Hey, Yankee, it's Silver Chaser.
Hey, thanks for calling, and thanks again for
Hello.
that super chat, dude. Really appreciate it.
So I wanted to get some opinions on some recent purchases I made, and
Okay.
you know, because I haven't been doing this nearly as long as you, so I wanted to, you know, get some more expert advice, so to
Yankee
speak.
is
And
old, so he does have that, old wisdom.
Seriously? Now they're all going to put the old Yankee in the chat, thanks to you. All right, sorry about that. Go ahead.
Okay. So I picked up a full container of 25 of 2000 and, what years are these again? 2016 Britannias
Ooh, yes.
with
Pretty.
the monkey privy on them.
Oh, yes. I know what you're talking about. The monkey. Yep.
And I paid $34 per coin.
When was this?
Yesterday while I was in
Okay.
Vegas, I just flew back home this morning.
You bought it while in Vegas.
Yeah, I was out there working. I film for TV, so
Oh, nice.
it was work. And I got a whole container of 2016 Superman Maple Leafs.
Yes.
I paid $33.60 per coin.
Those aren't bad prices, dude. They're not.
And what was one of the coolest, I ended up dropping like 4,500 while I was out there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But one of the coolest pieces was this 2013 Bald Eagle $20 piece, an Alter Cameo and a PF70.
Wow, that is
And-
pretty.
And yeah, it has the big eagle on the front.
Right.
And I feel like I stole it at $43.
Yeah, so you're talking these are higher premium items, obviously. I don't know if you're planning on holding them because you're a collector stacker or you're going to flip these things. But
Well,
that
I'm
last one's
thinking
kind of
about
expensive.
trading.
Yep, trading. Okay. Well,
Yep.
Viva Las Vegas. So I would say that first one is your best deal, I think. I mean, it's still a 40% premium. I mean, it was $10 over spot, something like that.
Yeah, at the time of purchase, spot was still like $26.30.
Okay. Yeah, and you bought it for $34, right?
Yep.
So $9 spot, $9 premium. Yeah, I mean that's reality with silver, but again, with the privy, that's pretty good. And if you're planning on doing some trades, that could work well for you. Yeah, I think it's not bad.
I was thinking, let's go after some of the premium coins,
Mm-hmm.
and because even with the premiums the way they are, the more collectible ones aren't going to be fluctuating as much. Because they'll still have their collectability.
Yeah, I hear you. That's actually the mentality that I've used in buying some of the Constitutional Silver Series items that I'm purchasing. So much higher premium, but because they're rare dates, the true coin collecting type that I'm putting together a typeset for. And I think that would be good because, those premiums are solid, right? You're going to pay that way whether the spot price premiums in the paper's futures markets change that much. You're still going to be paying a lot for these coins, so why not do it now? I just think when you're looking at bullion, you still need to try to get the lowest premiums you can, unless you're going to trade them or flip them like you're planning on doing. I think you're doing a good thing there. It's a good move.
Yeah, and I enjoy it.
Yeah.
I feel like
you're paying...
stacking silver is a treasure hunt.
See,
it's a treasure hunt.
Yeah, you're paying for the fun too there. So that's a premium piece. That's a factor in your premium, I should say.
And the last purchase I made, so I landed at the airport this morning, and I went to my coin shop, and I got dimes, 64 dimes, and I got $25 worth of 1964s.
$25.
And I paid 16 times face for my dimes.
Yeah, again, that's not I hate to say that's not bad, but that isn't bad. It really isn't. I mean, it's good. I bought a lot of my junk constitutional silver at like 10, 12, 14. So that's not bad.
So
Good job.
I look at it this way: it's 10 dimes equals just about 1 ounce.
Mm-hmm.
So I paid $16 an ounce.
About $1.40 is an ounce. $1.40 is a rule of thumb. You're not considering wear and so forth. So that's a good rule of thumb.
But I enjoy your channel.
Oh, thanks so much.
Yeah. And I
even with little stacks on it?
Huh?
Even with little stacks on it?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, hey, every now and then it's okay to have imperfection on the channel.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh!
I didn't know Yankee was just on every
Oh,
now and then.
come on!
I thought
he's
he
talking
I thought
about
he was
you,
on all the time.
dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate the call. That was fun.
All right, take it easy. Bye.
Talk to you later. Bye. Hey, and I just need to shout out Plumber Stacker with a $15 super chat. Get Yankee to 100 in super chats so he can do another giveaway. You mean another? Dude, I have 159 in super chats. I made it past that 100. What are you trying to get me to 200? So I have to do another one? Oh, I don't know if that's going to happen. But thanks. I appreciate that.
And then a bunch of other people also donated.
Okay. Let's down here. We got a bunch of... Oh, man. Why is this... Let me just double... Uh-oh, I'm hearing something here. It's slowing down. Hold on. Am I at... Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
I don't know why.
You know what? You want to know something?
What?
This would never happen on my computer.
Oh, stop it. You're bragging about your computer.
Yeah, I love it.
All right.
It's great.
Hey, John Ruck, stop struggling now. And David Yadargarians. Yadar... Oh, I feel bad about that. But thank you for your super chats. That's awesome. I don't know why. Suddenly the chat is dragging here. So I apologize for that. We need to do the last giveaway anyways, right?
Yeah.
Last giveaway. It is the 10 gold backs, guys. 10 gold backs. We have... what do we have in here? 156 people in the chat, so that's not too bad for odds. We're going to do the Wheel of Names, because the other types of giveaways are scaring me tonight. So anyways, we're going to do that gold back. So that's a really nice one. It's a 1/100th of a troy ounce of gold. It's got the Yankee cannon on it, and I think you'll enjoy it if you win it. So put something in the chat real quick. It's slow mode. Maybe that's why. No, I was scrolling it. Couldn't scroll the chat. That is weird. See, it was, look at this, the response on the chat.
Yeah.
I can't even type anything in there. Something weird happened.
And your stream's buffering.
Oh boy. All of a sudden, what happened?
Well, your CPU maxed out to 100.
Yeah, it's not responding. I need to wait. Let me check the, yeah, what is eating it up all of a sudden? 100%.
Oh.
My cameras? Maybe the camera did? I don't know. I apologize.
Well, you're at 72.
People.
You're at 72 still. Is
I
that
don't know
normal?
why the stream.
90. 100.
Yeah, that's. Oh yeah, it is.
Something's maxing
Something just happened on the computer.
But
Don't
that's not
know
what.
why.
That's not what's maxing it out.
No, I know that. I'm not sure. The stream has been flawless up until
Wait,
now.
scroll down.
You know what it was? I bet the call.
Yeah.
Yes, the call line must have done something to the CPU on it. Sorry,
Scroll down.
guys.
What's actually taking up the CPU?
We had a little technical difficulties here, folks, on the last giveaway, and I apologize.
35.
Microsoft Edge, yeah. I don't want to restart that. I can close. What can I close?
You can't close that whole tab, though.
No, you can't. No.
Well, you're running 2 instances of it.
I know. Guys, I apologize for that. The CPU just suddenly, yeah, we got the wheel of death. Yeah, everything just buffered bad. I don't know what else to stop on this, because that CPU, it must have been the phone.
If you move that tab and Put it over there.
No, I can't. It'll mess up. Trust me on that.
Oh, okay.
All right. Come on. I know. I'm not seeing anything in the chat saying that it's buffering, but I know I'm probably so far behind. That's the reason why.
Star of the show. Yeah. Technical issues.
Yep.
Slow.
Yep.
Old Yankee.
I think that might have been. I think that was it. I think we were flawless until the Google Voice.
Oh, there it is again.
The Google Voice did it.
Uh-huh.
How could I don't want to stop the stream, but I think I might have to. Yep. Sorry, guys. It's lagging and buffering, and we're having a problem. And I'm afraid to do this unless things settle down. And I'm not seeing it settle down. What else can I kill?
Well, nothing else is going to take away enough, you know?
Yeah. Kill that. I can't kill that. I guess I could kill that. It's not going to do much. It's Microsoft Edge.
Yeah.
Wow. Yep. They say it's good, but I'm seeing the buffer. So anyways, guys, can you see the goal back move? All right, so maybe we...
Oh.
No, look at that.
It's always Microsoft.
Good on my end. Pick me. Good. All right, guys. Say good if you're not seeing any problems, because it could just be me playback on mine. It may be.
It might just
No
be.
buffer here. Yes. Is it good? Yeah.
Seems to be
All right.
calming down.
It's me being able to.
Your CPU,
It's
yeah.
that. All right, guys. We're gonna try this. Everybody's been putting
It's
stuff
kind
in
of
the chat.
100, yeah.
This is gonna be bad. I'm afraid of what's gonna happen here. But I'm gonna try to do the last one. I'm gonna try to do the last one real quick.
Well, now you need notepad opening.
I know. Man. Let's do this. Let's throw it in here real quick. Let's all copy, and then let's go over here, and then all delete, and then paste. All right, guys. Yes, all good. It's me being, it's weird. I'm seeing the lag. They're not. I've not seen that before. So you guys are able to see the wheel, and all our names are in there, and I'm going to shuffle it a few times, and we're going to spin it, and this is for the 10 goal backs.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, and then we're done. Shut down the stream before this thing blows up.
Yeah.
Oh, I know it's on slow. I know. Here we go. Here we go. The winner of the 10 goal backs. Better not be Streamlabs. It's going to go by it, but will it stay on Eric? Or is it going to go to Cash Cats? This is it.
Yeah, Cash Cats.
I think it's going to be Cash Cats. Yes! Cash Cats wins. Congratulations, Cash Cats. You get the 10 goal backs. Wow. Whew. I appreciate this, guys. I think I'm going to have to wrap up the stream. I'm seeing all kinds of lag on my end. I'm so glad you're not seeing it on your end. I think I'm a bit behind. Oh, well, that's okay, SFAR100. Thank you again to all my new members. I appreciate it. And we're going to be doing this next time. We'll have fun giving away more from JCS Gold. Definitely check out jcsgold.com. Don't forget the promo code Yankee for free shipping over $50. There's some really cool stuff in there. He's got some really good gold that I am going to check out. I told him, I said, I want gold from all different parts of the world. So I think that kangaroo is going to be the next purchase for me.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. And hope your day is A-OK. Good night, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.